This is so simple car, simple truck, and I hope I could find it easy to drive. I tried it once, guys, but I'm not totally capable of, you know.
We are going to get her. I've already looked into this. I've already talked to the dealership about this. We're going to get one of the sensors when you back a vehicle up, you beep 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 beep.
I hate backing up, guys, at hindi ako magaling doon.
Hate backing up. She scared the neighbor. The next door neighbors. Oh my God, she's backing up.
So, talagang... Hi guys, meet the new addition to the family. Here, Maru. There you go. Masyado siyang maliwanag ngayon, guys, kasi napakaganda ng araw. So, right now, iti-test drive natin siya, okay? So, samahan nyo kami. Yes, guys, ito na kami sa loob at iti-test drive natin si Maru. So, si Banch, tuturuan niya ako later.
We are going to really test drive and make sure everything works. Yes, okay. We know what to do with this vehicle.
We bought it already, but we don't know if it works.
You thought M-Joy's manual was thick?
We're not going to read it, Banch.
No, but understand one thing. When you get an owner's manual like this, or any owner's manual, I'll flip to a page, and they'll say, let's see here, give me a minute.
Lesson number 1.
Yes, lesson number 1.
Kailangan siya magbabasa kasi I don't wanna read, guys. I want him to teach me how to do it. You know, yung ituro niya sa akin, hindi ako pwedeng magbasa kasi hindi ako magaling sa mga instructions na ganyan. Gusto ko pagka ginamit ko, tuturo niya sa akin how to do it.
If equipped. If your vehicle has A. If it is there.
What do you mean?
For power mirrors, for example, this is a good example. We do have power mirrors. But power mirrors, if equipped, controls for the outside mirrors are located by the door. And that's just an example. There's a lot of stuff that this vehicle does not have, like heated seats. If equipped, the heated seats are located, and it'll give you a list of instructions. Half of the instruction booklet is this thick, but half of this instruction booklet is based on if equipped.
However,
half of it is
some
not.
of it doesn't have.
So what you've got to do, if you're smart, is read through this, but you've got to figure out what you have and what you don't have. Worst idea ever is reading it in the house. You have to read one of these in the vehicle
inside the
itself.
vehicle, yeah.
So okay, let's see. Do I have heated seats? Nope.
Wala kami
I don't
heated
have heated
seats.
Do I have power windows? Yep, I got power windows.
We have power windows.
Yep.
The good thing
Do I have a sliding window in the back? No,
we have a sliding window, yeah.
We do not have a sliding window. It gives you an idea of how to read.
So now it's a nice day. It's a nice day and I don't read and alam niya yun. So now, what I'm going to do is to teach me how to use this. Otherwise, wala, mangangapa ako. And I think it's very, what do you call this?
Who's going to teach me?
No, he needs to teach himself. But I think this one is much easier.
Kasi hindi siya masyadong complicated, guys. I don't like complicated vehicles. And this one, I think, is not too complicated.
So if he will teach me how to do this, kailangan nandito kami sa sasakyan. Otherwise, I will not get it. Okay? So sama kayo, guys, ha. Tuturuan kami kung paano gamitin to.
A truck is easier?
I think so because there's no buttons. Look, guys, papakita ko sa inyo.
Oy.
Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. Yan.
There's no buttons?
There's not much button to, you know,
You
make
have
it
a four-wheel
complicated.
drive button that you haven't even learned yet down here.
What?
I haven't even learned yet, but it's not complicated.
And
This M, you do not ever in your life touch it. Please
what?
don't touch
The
it.
M?
The
Okay.
M. Same thing with this little thing here. Do
What is
not
that?
touch that. That
Okay.
you do not touch. That's what that is. That's for
Okay.
your rear light in the back. That you do not touch.
Okay.
That is your blinker. That you can touch.
Okay. And now, what is the mileage, Bunch? There you go. That's the mileage. 24,134. So
And
yun,
the person
guys.
that owned this before as we mentioned earlier, never drove this vehicle, and I'll give you a reason.
Yeah, and this
why.
is how many years, Labing? 2015. So this is a 6
6
years vehicle, guys. And nakita namin lahat ng feature. It looks brand new. So it's a steal. It's a good
high. In a 6-year period, he only changed the oil 7 times. He never went anywhere. Literally. Poor guy, he didn't go nowhere. So we've got a nice vehicle, a 6-year-old vehicle, grant you that, but it's in beautiful condition. So he must have kept it up really nice. And low mileage, which is a plus in these days, because if you find a vehicle with high mileage, forget about it. It's not going to go too far. With a low mileage vehicle like this, it'll last a long time. You want a low mileage vehicle, and you're going to have to shop around. It's not going to jump at you. You're going to have to jump at it. So if you find a low mileage vehicle you like, you better jump at it, because other people are looking at it too.
So guys, we're done. Okay, we got it, and we're going to we're going to test drive it now.
Never done. Okay?
So samahan nyo kami, okay?
Because they are ordering remote car starter. So this has no remote car starter, and we live by that. It needs a hard cover for the bed behind us. Okay, we ordered that. We ordered what they call weather tech for your shoes. So when you get in and out, the mud will go in the weather tech, not on the floor itself. So it'll keep it clean. Weather tech will go there, right there, where it says certified service. And there's 1 and 2. So they've got a special order of that. And the last feature they're going to order, my personal favorite, is the sound that goes beep, 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 beep. When you put it in reverse, it warns people that you are backing up. This is for her. Why? Because God help us, we do not want her to back up. No, never. If you've ever seen her back up, you know what I'm talking about. Our neighbor, and this is no lie, he's brand new to us, okay? He just moved in 6 months ago, if that. He comes out to the porch one time when I was backing the vehicle up, and he says, "Oh my God, I saw her back up one time. Don't ever have her back up."
Don't say that. Sorry guys. Masyado ko minamalik.
It's the truth.
So go ahead, let's go.
It's the truth.
You teach me how to drive now. Okay guys, bago maggulo dito, we're gonna do it, okay? Be careful, Bunch. Let's go.
Well, give me a minute here. Because I'm still learning how to drive in this small parking lot here.
Where to?
Straight on to morning. As soon as this vehicle goes, we will go. There it goes. I am going. Bye-bye.
So, how do you feel?
Just kidding. Just kidding. She drives like a charm.
What?
Sorry. I choked on some saliva there. She drives like a charm is what I tried to say, but I couldn't get the words out.
It's cool compared to Marinette.
Marinette was a cool vehicle to drive. Hello?
It's just that this is so high, right?
Yes, this is higher. You can see more. And when it comes to winter, when you have huge snowbanks, you can plow right through it like it was nothing.
Oh, really?
Yep. Haul stuff. You can haul stuff. You want to buy a boat now? You can buy a boat. Camper. Yeah, you can do that. See, we are doing 65 and I didn't even realize that.
You are 60.
I was 65. You did not even know it.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, so I just looked at the thing. I just changed
Okay, so let's go.
to 60, to 55.
So we're now here in the city.
Yes.
How do you
yes,
feel
we
now?
Are. It's a nice vehicle. Drives good. I can't wait to see her behind this vehicle.
Is this the Z-Bar that you're talking about here?
What, do you see Z-Bart? I think it's right there, Z-Bart. Right there.
Oh, yep. Okay.
See, it says rust proofing. That's what you want. Yep.
Okay.
everything's all installed and stuff, you can rust proof it.
Guys, we arrived. We're running errands. So we went to, we're going to Staples to buy something. And then maybe, since we are in the city already, yan. Matagal kami hindi nakaikot ni Vance kasi nga, di ba? Pangit
She
ang...
wants to go to store.
So pangit ang, what do you call this? Ang weather. But this time,
Gorgeous.
it's gorgeous. So we're going to roam around and habang si Maru is here, maglilibot naman kami ni Vance. So maglalakad kami,
We
guys.
decided to go home. We decided to walk home.
We're gonna walk first, okay? And maybe dito kami pupunta muna. Since malapit lang naman yung to, magkakaikot lang naman siya. Ayan. So, lalakad-lakad muna kami dito. Okay, guys? So, see you later! So pretty.
Red is not your color. No.
What about this?
Do you like that?
It's so huge.
Yeah. That's not a bag, it's a suitcase.
We're done with TJ Maxx and now we're going to Best Buy. So, Bunch wanted to get something. So, while waiting for me, he wants to at least do something. Because,
Yes.
you know that,
her hours have been changed.
yeah. So, he needs something to work on while waiting for me. And we let him to buy what he wants. Okay? So, let's see.
And what we need.
He needs it. So, we'll let him. So, guys, he's trying to look for, actually, tablet. So, ayun siya. Did you find one?
Yes, I did.
Where?
Right there. Physically there.
Which one?
Open
Oh, this
eyes.
one?
Open your eyes.
Oh, okay. Do they have stocks? Oh, yeah, there's some more.
You can get 10 for. Let's say this one.
That's a big
No,
bunch.
I know.
So, that one is okay with you?
Yes. Get this one if you want.
No, that's so
Size of
big.
that.
Okay, guys, nakapili na siya. Madali lang pumili yan si Vance. Yan yung masarap kasama pagka meron kang issue.
Look at their
Which
back
one to
room.
choose? Where? That's their
Right
back room.
behind her. That's the back room.
You have so much stuff there.
A lot of stuff.
Inantay lang namin yung salesperson
They even
here.
got a forklift.
Oh,
Yeah, open all the way down. In the corner. Right in the corner.
it's a forklift.
The forklift.
That's their back room. That's their back room. Nangelaw sa back room na. Dito lang kayo. Yan, guys. Okay, guys. We got it. Tapos na kami. Nabili na namin yung kailangan ni Bunch. So, meron pa siyang biniling something here. Okay.
This is my
Nalaglag
go-to
siya,
bag.
guys. Okay, guys. Tapos na kami ni Bunch. Ito na yung nabili namin. And happy na siya kasi
She
may
broke the bag.
Naiinis naman ako kasi nalaglag siya, guys. I felt bad for Bunch. Pero
Yes.
nakakahon pa rin naman siya eh.
Strong. It's got a strong body.
I really still feel bad. Sige, guys, maglalakad muna kami kasi mahirap dito. Nasa parking kami and medyo maraming tao kasi nga it's a nice day. And syempre lahat gusto nasa labas.
Sorry, I keep an eye on her.
So guys,
25/7.
maglalakad muna kami, okay? And see
Had to
you
add an
later.
extra day.
Okay guys, back to Maru na kami kasi tapos na kaming
I had to take my coat off. I'm sorry.
it's hot. It's getting hotter, guys. So kung papansin nyo, we're all over today because it's a nice day. And like I said earlier,
On the
maraming
road
tao
again.
maraming tao sa kalsada.
Wait.
Kaya si Medyo pawisan ng lolo nyo. So now we're going somewhere for our lunch.
Time she gets there, we'll be hungry.
Or from there, ito na yung mga, ito na sa likod na kami dadaan. Galing na kami dyan sa Staples. And dito kami sa likod para hindi masyadong pa-traffic. Kasi guys, tingnan nyo naman, ang daming tao sa labas. Everybody's enjoying the weather. Oop. Pag masyadong mataas, you could feel the bump big time.
What they call a 4x4. You can go off-road with it, literally.
Diyan na kami
May ways to
galing
go,
kanina. Umikot lang kami guys kasi masyado matraffic dun sa lane na yon. So now we're heading to another spot.
Yep.
Bounce where to?
A surprise. Oi! I can't go nowhere.
Oh, are they there you go.
Not my fault they ain't going.
Diyan kami galing kanina guys at traffic yung part na yan. So
We had someone who was impatient behind us.
is that behind us?
Yeah, I watched her honk the horn.
Ang ganda ng araw guys. Masyadong na-miss namin lumabas ni Bunch. I think the last time na nakalabas kami. When was the last time you were out, Bunch?
Whoa!
It's been a long time nakalabas kami ni Bunch. But this time, kasi napakaganda ng panahon. So, we're trying to enjoy the day. Kasi this is a vitamin D. You've been cooped up in the house for the longest time. And right now, it's a free vitamin. So I told Bunch, you know what? It's better for us to, learn how to drive MARU. So, better to do it now. It's a nice day, so why not? So now we're enjoying the sun, guys. And hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta next. Bunch said that we're going somewhere. So let's see. It's lunchtime, so maybe we could go somewhere and grab something. We don't eat in any restaurant since last year. Wendy's. That was March, I think.
Last fast food we've ever had.
Wendy's, right? I think that's March 6. March 6 when I first after my seminar. So that's
I
it.
haven't had McDonald's, Burger King.
No fast food for the past
99,
1
nothing.
year. So
We
whenever
had to make our own fast food. Buy our own frozen fries.
sawahan na sa luto ko,
Cook 'em.
guys. And
Now we're
now
not a cook.
and now we're heading where to, Bunch?
I'm not telling you.
Dito kami, guys, tingnan nyo, ha?
But she's going to be driving back.
Okay, back to where we're going. Where are we going, by the way?
Straight.
Back to the road. See?
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again.
Here's our lunch, guys. Yan. Here's my Bunch.
We had to stop and eat.
Dito kami, guys.
She was hungry.
We're eating out kasi we're so hungry. And
So
ito yung pinupuntahan namin pagka ganitong nag-road trip kami. And we like the place because ang sarap ng burger niya. At have you seen those white stuff there? That's a lake. And si Bunch having fun with
You would not want to walk on that ice right now, though,
Why?
because you probably fall through.
Seriously?
I can't tell you how many snowmobiles are in that lake right now. Seriously.
Let's go. Sige, guys. We're gonna eat lunch first before it gets cold, okay? Okay, guys. So it's my turn to drive now. So Bunch has been driving this Ban has been driving Maru for the past an hour or 2 hours. So now it's about time na ako naman yung mag-break ng, you know, ng, what do you call this? Now it's about time for me to do it. Because by hook or by crook, we really need to, or I really need to learn how to drive this. Otherwise, mahihirapan kami to have a separate car going back and forth to work. So,
She doesn't want me to drive her, that's the only thing.
what?
You don't want me to drive you to work, that's the only thing.
No, because she started early. And it's easy for me to or it's easy for us to use one car. So now it's my turn. I really need to learn how to drive Maru so we could be comfortably using it back and forth. Okay? So bear with us. Bans will need to guide me. So I don't think
No, she knows where everything is. I'm just around for the ride.
so somebody needs to, you know, help me driving this Maru. And right now our battery is almost, you know, going. So here it is. I'll try my best to update you later. How does it feel to drive a truck? Okay? See ya.
So now you get to see me in the passenger seat. Nope. Sorry, she's busy. Look at what she's doing, boys and girls.
Hi
She's
guys.
driving. She's driving a truck, not a car.
I'm
not
driving
an
this
SUV.
one, guys. By hook or by crook, I need to learn how to do this.
Truck. Can you imagine?
This is different. Kinda heavy.
Do you like it though?
Yeah. I could see everything, however, it's kinda heavy.
I have learned how to set the clock. So, it is 2:37 plus 10 minutes added because I always add 10 minutes to my clock in the car, so it's 2:47, but it's 2:37. Are you confused yet? Well, you should be. No, but I learned how to set the clock. Now I gotta learn how to, yeah, the book. I gotta learn how to set the radio and all the other good stuff. One step at a time, though, people. We're not going to do this all at once. Take your time, relax, enjoy the show. Right, sweetie?
Right, guys.
We're out here, out and about, no man's land, and enjoying the sunshine. So, we'll be back later, okay? Our battery's running out again. We'll be back.
Hi, guys.
Back.
So we're home, guys. So finally, we were
2
able
hours.
to we were able to
Behind
drive
the wheel of a
this.
truck.
Gulo ni Bunch. Okay, he's so excited kasi na-drive ko na siya, si Maru. And right now, we're home. And how's my driving, Bunch?
Very good.
So see? So that means we could we could finally use a car tomorrow. Kasi yun yung fear ko at yun yung fear niya if I could drive the car because it's, you know, big. But no problem right now. So I think we're good to go.
We only have to make sure that we are driving a bigger vehicle. Marinette, which is the Torrent, was a smaller vehicle than this.
So this time it's bigger but it's still manageable. Okay guys, and thank you sa pagsama. Hanggang sa ulitin, and please take care of yourselves and
Stay safe, please.
thank you so much. Hanggang sa muli. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe.
and share. Okay? Thank you guys. Mwah! You take care all. Bye.